All right, let's check our work. Number 1, use the number line to find the starting time if the elapsed time is 35 minutes. So we started at 5:10, and we're going to go 10, 20, 35 minutes. Okay, 10, 20, 35 minutes. So 5:10 minus 10 is 5 o'clock. Minus 10 is 4:50. Minus 10 is 4:40. Minus 5 is 4:35. So the elapsed time is 4:35. All right, let's look at number 2. Starting time is 1:40 p.m. Elapsed time, lunch is 20 minutes, and walking the dog is 13. All right, so 1:40 is my ending time. Oh, starting time. Whew, I'm glad I reread that. That could have been bad. So starting time is 1:40. And then I take a 20-minute lunch, so 10, 20. And then I walk the dog for 13. Ooh, look, there's a 10 in there because I have a 1 in the tens place. So there's 10, and then 1, 2, 3 minutes because I have a 3 in my ones place. So a 10, and then 1, 1, 1. So let's count it. 11 or 1:40. 10 minutes is 1:50. 10 minutes more would be 2 o'clock. 10 minutes more is 2:10. Then I have 2:11, 2:12, 2:13. So 2:13. Is that AM or PM? PM. Afternoon. All right. Let's do another one. Starting time, Miss Pearson, starting time is at 9:55. Let's find 9:55. All right, my hour hand is between my 9 and 10. It's closer to the 10 because it's almost 10 o'clock. And my minute hand is at 11, which is 55 minutes. Okay, I need to go 15 minutes for a bike ride. So 5, 10, 15 minutes for a bike ride. And then 12 minutes for homework. So I need to go 5, 10, 11, 12. So what time is that? Well, I know I'm close to 10, and I'm going to pass that 12 o'clock hour, I'm going to pass the 12 on the clock, which means I'm starting a new hour. So I'm going to go up to 10 o'clock. So it's 9:55, 10 o'clock, 10:05, 10:10, 10:15, 10:20, 10:21, 10:22. Is that AM or PM? That's right, AM. All right, 10:22 AM is that answer. How'd you do on those? Were we doing okay on finding the elapsed time? I sure hope so. Let's look at some problem solving. Number 4, it's a multi-step and we're going to analyze. It says the first morning, Courtney walked on the beach for 10 minutes and swam for 10 minutes. She finished her walk and swim 30 minutes before high tide. At what time did Courtney start her walk? Ooh, multi-step. So we're going to use our chart. It says that she finished her walk and swim 30 minutes before high tide. So high tide is at 9 a.m. or 9 p.m. I'm going to need more information. Am I working in the morning or in the afternoon? Let's read again. It says the first morning, so that would be a.m. is my start time, or finish, 9 a.m. is the information I know. It says she finished her walk and swim 30 minutes before high tide. So if I have 9 a.m. and I jump back 10, 20, 30 minutes, that would take me to 8:50, 8:40, 8:30. 8:30 a.m. is when she finished her walk and swim. Courtney walked on the beach for 10 minutes and swam for 10 minutes. Because we want to know at what time she started her walk. So what do I need to do? I found my first part. She stopped at 8:30. But I need to go back 20 more minutes. 10 minutes for my swim, 10 minutes for my walk. So 8:30, 8:20, 8:10. So Courtney started at 8:10. Ooh, I keep forgetting my one. At 8:10 a.m. That's when she began. How'd you do on that one? There was a lot of things to think about. Let's look at number 5. The third afternoon, day 3. Third afternoon, Courtney started collecting shells at low tide. We're looking at low tide this time, okay? She collected shells for 35 minutes. At what time did Courtney finish collecting shells? All right, this says afternoon. So that means that I need to be looking at the PM time. She collected shells for 35 minutes. At what time did Courtney finish collecting? All right, she started collecting at low tide, so that means she started at 4:30 p.m. She collected for 35 minutes, so 10, 20, 30, 5. Oh, this is a 1 for 10 minutes. So I'm going to count. 4:30 plus 10 minutes is 4:40, plus 10 is 4:50, plus 10 is 5 o'clock, plus 5 is 5:05 p.m. How'd you do? Does that make sense? All right, let's look at number 6. Susie began fishing at 10:30 a.m. and fished until 11:10 a.m. James finished fishing at 11:45 a.m. He fished for the same length of time as Susie. At what time did James start fishing? Explain. All right, so this is a multi-step, so I need to do what I have the information for first to have the information to do the second part. So I know what time Susie began and finished fishing. She began at 10:30 and she ended at 11:10, both in the a.m. So how long did Susie fish for? Well, I have 10:30. If I count by tens, 10:30, 10:40, 10:50, plus 10 is 11, plus 10 is 11:10. So 10:30, 10 minutes would be 10:40, plus 10 minutes is 10:50, plus 10 minutes is 11, plus 10 is 11:10. So 10, 20, 30, 40 minutes Susie fished. So James finished fishing at 11:45. He fished for the same length of time. What time did he start? So I need to go back. He finished here. I need to go back 40 minutes. 10, 20, 30, 40. So it's 10, 20, 30, 40. So 11:45, 11:35, 11:25, 11:15, 11:05. He started at 11:05 a.m. All right. If you're running into issues, please let me know. Otherwise, you have some graded practice to do on the next page. I hope you do a great